Okay, base is glowing, makeup check, blush check. Now let's seal the look with this lip magic. This is the partner in Shine Transfer Proof Lip Gloss by Sugar Cosmetics. And trust me, it's not your regular gloss. It gives you that glossy radiant shine without the mess because yes, it's transfer proof. Just one swipe and boom, bold, high impact color. Plus, it's powered by hyaluronic acid and shea butter to hydrate while you sleep. And the best part, it is non-sticky and hydrating comfort for 6+ hours. Now, if you love skincare in your makeup, this one's next. Meet the Glide Peptide Serum Lipstick, India's first lipstick infused with peptides. It glides on like a dream, giving you a juicy, glossy cream finish while working overtime to smooth and plump your lips. With vitamin E, avocado, and jojoba oil, it's pure nourishment in a tube. And yes, just one swipe is all it takes for that rich, luxurious color. Because your lips deserve color that feels like care. Shop these beauties now on Sugar Cosmetics website or app.